Welcome back guys to another video. As you can see on the table, an unboxing today. We have the BecauseRacecarBox, the UK's #1 detailing subscription box. If you're new around here, my name's Reese and this is a Reese Spec channel, and we go by the little tagline R28 SPK. And if you are returning, you've been here before, thanks a bunch and thanks for the support. What I'm going to do, if you've been on my social media, which will be in the description below, on my Instagram you will have seen a couple of days ago that I actually put that I'm now part of the BecauseRacecarBox. Pardon. So yeah, we have joined up with them. Leanne sent us an email about getting on board and joining them, and we welcome that with open arms. So yeah, anyone wants any information about that, like I said, drop me a message and we can get on with that. But today's point is to unbox this beauty here. But make sure you go check out their Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So let's get it open. As we cut across the bottom. Like that. And first things first, nice and well packed. Oof. So first things you can see is the nice, I'd say it's an apple green Merc, which I will turn and show you. And it actually says BecauseRacecarBox. And then on the back we have some information about what's inside. So we actually have, which I'm going to find first of all. No, I'm not. What I am actually going to do is show you our naughty emojis. So as you can see, we have the Emoji Fresh air fresheners. I have the berry flavour and I also have the lemon flavour. But there is a website, emojifresh.co.uk. As you can see, emojifresh.co.uk. So yeah, two of them in there. These are smell quite fresh, to be honest. I can smell the lemon one more. But yeah, they will do quite well in the car. So right, going by this, the first thing I am going to get out is the Refined Finish Final Cut 9000 one-step cutting power, as you can see. So altogether in these you can get the 3000, the 5000, the 9000, the 120,000, and then you've got the wax coat. And what it actually says is high precision polishing technology. So as you can see, so this actually says Cartech Final Cut 9000 one-step compound, and on here it says Final Cut 9000 is a high precision one-step finishing compound / polish, perfect for removal of minor scratching, swirl marks, marring, buffer marks and holograms. Final Cut 9000 leaves a hologram-free, superb high-gloss finish in a short amount of time. This compound does not contain any fillers or silicones and is ammonia-free. Easy to use, no dust formula. It actually gives you a website, which is www.cartechuk.com, and it also gives you some instructions on how to use it. That is in the box there. I will attach a little picture of this in the bottom corner. So that's our Refined Finish, as you can see. Next is another one that I'm actually quite excited to use. As you can see, we have the Auto Bright Direct Purple Rain. So nice packaging straight away. Just by looking at the packaging, you can clearly tell what this does. Now this is a 100ml bottle, and it is a fallout remover. So basically what that means, as you can see here, you have the Auto Bright logo, then in the background you have an alloy which is red. If you've used anything like this before, basically all you do is you go around and squirt it around your rim. So you just squirt it round. If your rim turns red or purple, it just lets you know that there's a bit of iron deposit on there. This will remove it. They are very, very good to use. And 9 out of 10 you pay for what you get. So yeah, this actually says Purple Rain 3.0 Fallout Remover. And on here, it actually says Purple Rain version 3 is a new intensive pH balanced pH 6/7 iron contaminant remover that removes contaminants upon contact. When applied, it clings to the surface and rapidly breaks down industrial fallout, rail dust, iron particles, airborne chemical compound and other forms of contamination. It also gives you their website once again, which is in the box here, and it says www.autobrightdirect.co.uk, and then we have some information on how to use it as well. So yeah, the third item in the box is the Purple Rain. Next we have, I think it's this one. No, we're gonna go through this one first. So we also have this. This is made by Wax Planet Uniclean APC, and it actually says Uniclean is a concentrated APC that can be used on various surfaces both inside and out of the vehicle, on painted surfaces, apply on a test area prior to use and wash down with water. It says dilute 1 to 10 for heavy spoiling and dilute up to 1 to 150 for light spoiling. Removes marks on your car. There isn't a lot of information about it. There is a website which says www.waxplanet.co.uk. So what I will do, I will go actually check that website out, and I will put descriptions to all the items that I'm unboxing below and more what they do for you. But yeah, that's the Wax Planet Uniclean APC. Fourth item in the box. And next we also have, now this is one that I am looking forward to using. We have, as you can see, this is a Citrus Duo Bug and Grime Remover. So yeah, it says Citrus Duo is a safe yet highly effective bug and grime remover that can be used well as pre-wash cleaner, tough against bugs, road dirt and grime. This product is gentle to the body of your vehicle. This is the perfect all-rounder, easy to use and highly effective, containing natural citrus ingredients, ensuring a safe application on paint, plastic, engine bays, glass, wheels, tyres, etc. We also have the website is across the bottom of the card. Like I said, this is that one here. So here we actually have the polish and scratch remover. Then we had the tyre fallout iron remover. We had the wax on APC, and then we've got the bug remover, which is here, which I'll put aside. Also in the box we do have this beauty, which is winter grade screen wash shot, 1 to 20 dilution rate, helps prevent frosting, and it actually says because race car box at the bottom. So yeah, quite strong. The reason I did that is some of them do normally have quite a nice smell, and I don't know if you've ever been sat in your car and you've cleaned your windows and you've thought the smell that actually come inside the car from when you've washed them. It has such a lovely smell. 9 out of 10. In the bottom of the box we do have some rubber gloves, which will be for using some of this stuff, and as you can see the box is empty. So yeah guys, if you've liked what you've seen in the box, what I will do, I'll just move the box out of the way. I will actually lay them on the table, the stuff that we've actually got. So, we'll just go through them one more time. Bug remover, scratch remove polish, the auto bright fallout remover, iron remover. Then we actually have the wax on, wax planet should I say, Uniclean. We have the one shot screen wash, and then we have the emojis as well, lemon and berry. So today's box, or this month's box, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I will attach some more pictures after this, but make sure you go check them out guys, BecauseRaceBox or BecauseRacecarBox, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
But it's your fault, I wish you'd just accept that